welcome back. It's Miss Hake for another Minds On. We have been chatting with me and Mrs. Mann about balancing and stacking apples. So with whatever you have to work with, I want to see if you can stack two things without having them fall over. I'm going to use this as my base. One. Ooh, my crayon box. Two. Okay. Make sure they don't fall out. Now I'm going to keep stacking to see how many I can get. I'm going to put my Play-Doh on top. There's 3. My tape. 4. My scissors. 5. Ooh, my dice. 6. Oh my goodness. Can I balance my crayon on top? Nope, it's gonna fall. I'm at 6 things stacked up high. I wonder if you can collect some things and try stacking things up high. Although I wouldn't recommend using scissors because they're pretty sharp if they fall. So, wonder if you can grab some of those cups like Squeaks used in the video and make stacking pyramids or blocks or whatever you have on hand. I want to see if you could be a stacking machine. So hopefully some of your stacks stay intact so you can have a discussion about it after, about what worked and what didn't work. Have fun stacking things up high.